It's okay, sweetie. Come on out. It's all right. We won't hurt you.
When we found her, she was cold, hungry, and terrified.
No one knew how long she had been alone. But we knew. She deserved love.
Don't worry, sweetie. We're gonna take good care of you. You're safe now. It's okay, sweetie. Almost done. You're being very brave.
A warm bath, some food, and a lot of care. Today, she's happy, healthy, and surrounded by friends.
You're ready for your forever home, aren't you? Such a good girl.
There are thousands like her still waiting for a second chance.
You're such a good girl. Everything is gonna be okay.
You can be their hero. Visit your local animal shelter today.